Saturday, find joy in the journey. Nehemiah 8:10. The joy of the Lord is your strength. Joy isn't based on perfect circumstances. It's rooted in God. Even in trials, His joy strengthens your heart. Joy is a weapon against despair, a reminder of who holds your future. Choose today to focus on God's goodness. Smile, worship, laugh. His joy is your strength. Prayer of the day. God, fill me with your joy. Let it overflow and touch everyone around me. I choose to rejoice in you today. Amen. Practical application. Do something that brings you joy today. Listen to a favorite song, take a walk, or encourage someone else.